Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. So finally Qwen has published another version of Qwen 3 and it is called Qwen 3 235 billion and 22 billion active parameter model, and they have added this 2507. This is the unique ID, and now it is not a thinking model and it is a non-thinking model. Here you see that after a lot of discussion they have removed this thinking mode from this model and it is a instruct model, and this model is beating this Kimi K2 and also this Claude Opus 4 model. Here you see, and the orange one is this Qwen 3 new model 2507, and this gray one is this Kimi K2, and this is the yellow one is this Claude Opus 4. And from this chart you can easily see that this model Qwen 3 is actually beating this all of this model in all of these benchmarks, these live code benchmarks, or this AIME25 GPQA. It is beating these all other paid popular models, and also a lot of discussion is going on this Kimi K2, but here you see that this Qwen 3 new model is easily beating this Kimi K2. Now if you want to use this model in your VS Code, then in that case you can use this open router. Here you see it is completely free, and how to use it. So as an alternative to cursor or windsurf you can use it. So for that, go to your VS Code and install this any of the extension, this kilo or this Cline or root, and the settings is same for all of these editors, and or you can see all of these extensions. So go to this API provider and select this open router, and after that here provide your open router API key. How to get this API key? So for that, go to this page that I have linked, that this page link I have given in description. So go to this page and here you will find this API, and here just click on this create API key, and you will find this create API key. Click on it, give any name and click on this create, and it will create an API key and you will get that. Okay, so now get that API key and paste it here, and here you search this Qwen 3 model, and this is, make sure that you have selected this free one. Okay, and now click on this done, and after that you will be able to communicate with this model in this client. If you are not a coder, if you want to do some chat or daily purpose use, then you can go to their official platform chat.qwen.ai, and there select this model from this drop down. Make sure you have selected this 2507 model of Qwen 3, and after that you will be able to do this communication, and you can select this web dev, deep research or image generation, and there are many things. Here you see analyze image, make a plan, code. There are multiple things that you can do with this Qwen 3 new model. So I hope that this video is helpful for you guys. If you want to get this type of videos more daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.